Tinha saçma essa forma cantar. Como é que sai da frente? Você precisa de baixo essa isso aqui é o jardim. That is shocking. That's a bit much homicide, you know. Surely it's got to be sad. Una muove solo se va
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Smoking is not permitted until you are in a designated smoking area outside the terminal building. Please do not turn on your mobile phone until we've opened the aircraft doors. Please ensure you take all your personal belongings with you, including any reading material you may have brought on board. Remember to check the overhead lockers in the seat pocket in front of you. Take care when opening the overhead lockers in case anything should fall out and cause injury to you or another customer. If you're transferring to a Virgin Atlantic long-haul flight, then please disembark the aircraft as normal and immediately follow the signs at the top of the air bridge. These will take you to a coach which will transfer you directly to Terminal 3 departures. If you're transferring to a flight with another airline, then please follow the signs for flight connections. If you have any newspapers or magazines you no longer want, please leave these at the door as you leave the aircraft so we can collect them for recycling. For your next flight, please take a look at virginatlantic.com for more details on our award-winning products and service. It's really been our pleasure having you on board this Virgin Atlantic Little Red flight. We wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey and look forward to welcoming on board another of our services in the very near future. Thank you and a very good evening.